Good morning. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. This is another video in my channel. Today I want to talk about a very simple thing that most of us are already aware of. Dears, right through the life, maybe if you are a student or if you are a working person, maybe if you're just a sort of housemaker or somebody else, there is always one feeling that we go through. Sometimes we feel that why there are so many problems are coming to us. Sometimes we feel that why me? Why not others? Why should I suffer? Why should I go through all this struggle all the time? But let me tell you one reason. Let me tell you one simple natural happening. Dears, every day we have sunrise. Sun comes up, does his duty, and then he sinks back behind the western hills. So that's the day over. So when the day is over, we don't cry. We don't say that, oh my God, sunset has happened. There's no any longer sun. There's no light. There's only darkness. What do? We just light up the lamps. And then, even if you cry, because sun has gone, there's almost everywhere darkness. You don't have to cry. Just wait. There will be sunshine again next morning. There will be sunrise again. So it's the same case with us. All of us at one or the other level of life, personally, professionally, or in any manner, or even in the relationships, we definitely feel sometimes we are lost, we are ignored, we are rejected. And maybe we are having too much of hard time in our lives. But that doesn't actually the reality is. Every one of us, we have got ups and downs. It's very important for us to tell ourselves that harder times are the better times, problems are the opportunities, because in the harder times we go back to our basics, we look back to ourselves, we observe our own lives much better, much clearer, and then there is a chance of refinement, there is a chance of redefining and remodifying ourselves. So I personally believe whatever has happened in the past, let it be there in the past. So there's no point of going back to the past, think of bad events, bad incidents, and suppress or give more pain to ourselves. So past is past. Let's forgive and forget. Let's restart. Let's believe that brightness is always there. So there's no point of living back in the past in the darkness. We have another chapters to begin. We have another life to kickstart. And I personally believe there is never end for this hope. Hope is the big thing. And it's very expensive thing as well. We all need to have this feeling of hope. Even at the worst times, God has been with us. If there is one person or if there's one energy who can protect us all the time, is God. So be hopeful, have faith in God, put the God first, and see the miracle. So it's not just I'm talking about positivity, but I'm just trying to talk the reality as well. You can listen to the voice, beautiful song of the bird. So guys, you might be in any place of your life. That's fine, that's okay. But I believe strongly there is another opportunity. It's just waiting for you. Just grab it and move on. Hare Krishna.